All right, y'all, we're gonna make Big Mac mac and cheese. We're starting with 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and we're gonna throw some diced up onion on there. Once you get your diced up onion, we're also gonna do onion soup mix for a little extra onion flavor. Garlic powder. You can do about a teaspoon worth. I'm gonna do a little bit more than that. Paprika. You can do about a teaspoon of that. And then we're going to do our couple of condiments here. We're going to do about a 1/4 cup worth of ketchup and about 2 tablespoons worth of mustard. Now, after we cook this, we're adding one more ingredient that kind of makes this into the special sauce, just like the Big Mac. So once you get all that in there, we're also going to put 1.5 cups of beef broth. Once you pour your beef broth in, go ahead and just get all those flavors nice and stirred together. All right, and once you got those flavors nice and mixed together, go ahead and put your lid on, and we're going to let these flavors cook together for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, go ahead and take your lid off. It's already smelling good. So now we're going to put in 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup of Velveeta, or if you want to be more authentic, you can go a cup of American cheese, but I just like the way the Velveeta melts better. Get that stirred around until it's melted a little bit. Once you let that start getting melted, we're going to throw in 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Now this is the ingredient when combined with the ketchup and mustard in there, makes that special Big Mac sauce. Get that mixed around. Once you get your mayonnaise mixed in, we're also going to add some chopped up pickles, as well as 8 ounces of cooked macaroni. Ooh, buddy. Go ahead and stir that around. Okay, once you get all that in there, go ahead and just let this sit for like 10 minutes. We'll be ready to try it. All right, y'all, so let's dig in. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness. It really is like Big Mac mac and cheese. Well, yeah, of course. And as a little finishing touch, throw a little shredded lettuce on top. Let's dig in, folks. Oh my goodness. Y'all, please try this. Oh my goodness.